Markets are very choppy. What is going on, everybody? Kyle with Finance Bro back with another video today, guys. We have some very interesting movement that has been going on in the markets over the last couple of days. We saw that big sell-off just back here on February 21st, and then even a little bit as well on February 17th. We had that one day off on Monday as well. As you can see, though, really choppy conditions for price action here in the last couple of days in the market, at least on the S&P 500 as far as that's concerned. And that's kind of what we've been doing there. Not a lot of success stories in the overall stock market as of right now. However, we can look to NVIDIA. NVIDIA is one of the first kind of real big names that's been doing very well over the last couple of days, up 14% on its earnings report, and that's due to AI and, of course, the overall nature of AI being a very hotly discussed topic in the overall news and in the market right now. We're going to read a little bit more about this and why I'm potentially going to be buying NVIDIA relatively soon. But before we do that, I want to recommend you guys join our Discord with the first link down in the description below. This is how you get access to our buy and sell alerts that we put out on a daily basis. So if you guys are interested in that, I really recommend hitting that first link, getting joined up, and heading on over to the Join Us section, clicking this link, and of course, joining us and getting in with the tiers that we have as well. Now, let's talk NVIDIA. NVIDIA shares have closed up over 14% a day after the chipmaker reported a beat on the top and bottom line. Analysts are also in general bullish on the company's AI vision. And again, this company is, of course, one of probably the leading technology brands in the overall sector. And we also know that Nancy Pelosi loves to buy calls on this company quite consistently. That's no surprise there. She has obviously been trading options quite frequently over the last couple of years, and NVIDIA has been a big part of her portfolio. NVIDIA reported $6 billion in revenue in the fiscal fourth quarter and adjusted EPS of just over 88 cents, edging out most of the Wall Street consensus was basically predicting for what their overall earnings were going to be reported as. Now, as far as the AI thing, this is a statement basically made. AI adoption is an inflection point. OpenAI's ChatGPT has captured interest worldwide, and the entire part of this article is going off the screen where you can't even read it. Good job, CNBC. But the CEO, Jensen Huang, said on Wednesday calls with analysts earlier this year, Huang called the transformation an iPhone moment at the University of California, Berkeley fireside chat. They're referring to OpenAI's ChatGPT. More specifically, there's a lot of things that NVIDIA can also do in the industry of AI. As you can see, NVIDIA's AI play is accelerating in a way that will have disruptive implications for both its competitors and the world at large. This is kind of their official statement about AI and where they're planning on taking it and going with it in the future, which is good news because that means that NVIDIA is once again proctoring itself or really prompting itself to take advantage of these types of innovative, changes in the overall technological marketplace that are going to be coming sooner rather than later, especially as the days go on and go by. But that is why, again, this is a blue chip stock, right? In my opinion, NVIDIA is a blue chip stock, and it's one that I have a lot of in my long-term portfolio and one that I'm willing to probably buy more of if we get more of a sale. Speaking of which, let's see if there are any potential entry points right now with NVIDIA and see if we can take a look at the chart and what it's been doing. So this is the big breakout that we saw recently after that earnings report. And as you can see, momentum carried into today where we had relatively tight trading, pretty nice consolidation, a little bit of take profit there for most of the people who probably made their gains off of that. Still significantly above most of these MA lines, though, doing quite well there. And we're obviously going to have to see what happens on market open Friday. But keeping all this in mind, again, NVIDIA is a little bit overbought right now, in my opinion. Not going to be buying at these levels quite yet. I would rather wait for a more significant pullback, which could come Friday, depending on the overall market conditions. So I might be looking for a buy there. Either way, guys, let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Also, make sure to join that Discord if you haven't already. First link down in the description below. But other than that, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm Kyle with Finance Bro. Take it easy.